Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be unveiling our brand new Serenity Collection. I am so excited. We're all ready for a little bit of peace and serenity, right? And this is such a gorgeous kit. You guys can already see the beautiful succulents there. So this was January's subscription. Now this is already available in the shop right now, but I am going to be going over what sticker subscribers got, but you can order most of this in the shop. Now there are a few exclusives for subscribers only, so I'll go ahead and go over that first. So the two exclusive freebies that subscribers get is a heart seal. So this is actually on our vinyl sticker paper, so you can actually take it off here and stick it, or you can keep it on the backing. Our backing is thicker material, so you could just use it as a die cut and use washi if you like as well, so you don't have to use it as a sticker. And then every subscriber also gets a Deluxe sticker sampler. So this is our thank you sampler to subscribers. It has the little happy mail with the Bolderbon logo, a weekly spread, this gorgeous succulent here, a large full box with the hanging succulents, an extra little box, and then some checklists down there. So down here it's the January sticker subscription. Our sticker subscriptions are themed for 2 months ahead of time, so this is themed for March, so you have a lot of time to use all of your stickers. Like I said, this is available in the shop a la carte right now. If you are going to subscribe for our sticker subscription, those will be open on the 20th of this month and goes all the way until the 5th of the following month, and then subscriptions close on the 6th. This was actually the first month that we sold out of our sticker subscription, so thank you guys so much if you signed up for the subscription. Now there are a few other exclusives just for subscribers in here, but I'll go over those as I go through the kits. The first one I want to go over is actually the brand new A6 kit that we have in our shop. We just have the monthly kit right now. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in a little bit closer to this. Alright, so here's a closer look at the A6 monthly kit. It is one sticker sheet, so it keeps it really affordable for the monthly kit. It has the March banner up at the top here. This month, the sidebar on the left hand side. You can also add in some more boxes. These are larger, like quarter boxes, and then the smaller quarter boxes down here with the gorgeous succulents and butterflies. Down at the bottom there is two large strips that you can use as washi. There's also this white top over it, so you can actually write down special events or a little quote that you like for the month here. There's also the full boxes, some extra flag boxes, all of the date covers, extra little flags, some icons just to keep it simple. I know a lot of you have a ton of icons in your collection already. And then of course the date covers. Now I do have my A6 here. I don't have the March kit down yet, but I do have the February kit. So I wanted to give you guys a look at what our monthly kits are going to be looking like. So there's the bottom washi strip, the full boxes, the sidebar here, and then I did not put any of the extra boxes down here, just one of the little flags, but there is plenty of boxes to use here. And then I will be doing the March monthly kit in here as well. This is actually an old last year's 2020 planner, but I am refurbishing it and using it for 2021. I'll be doing a video on that coming up soon, so if you guys want to see that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. So this is available in the shop. It did not have a sticker subscription to the A6 because we don't have any weekly kits, but if you guys do want like a weekly supplemental kit, definitely let me know down below. Alright, so here's a look at the vertical kit. The vertical kit comes with 6 sticker sheets. If you're subscribed to the basic kit, this is what you will be getting, but you can buy each sheet of these a la carte in the shop or as a set for a discounted price. So the first sheet here is all of the gorgeous deco up top here, the succulents, butterflies, weekend banner, and then all of your icons down at the bottom. The second sheet is your bottom washi. So these are 2 long strips here. And then on the left hand side are 2 flags, a full box, an extra little heart checklist, 2 task reminders, and then a larger task reminder you can use on your sidebar along with extra other little goodies. Sheet number 3 is all of your boxes, so quarter boxes, half boxes, and then these you can use as little headers or separators as well. They're just cute little chevron boxes here, gorgeous. And then on each sheet there is actually washi side strips, so you can use all of that as extra washi in your planner as well. And then of course my favorite sheet, number 4, all of your gorgeous full boxes. So pretty, right? With the gorgeous butterfly, the watercolor, all of the hanging succulents. So pretty. I think Brian did just an amazing job of all of these boxes. All of the succulents here, and then this can be used as one box or separated or put together as a large frame box here as well. So pretty. And then sheet number 5 is all of your full box checklist with the gorgeous butterflies as your checklist, and then the gorgeous watercolor background there. And then sheet number 6 is all of your date covers, your date headers. To do, the font did change for the to do. I just thought it really fit nicely for this collection to have a more feminine script font for this collection, and then some smaller headers or washi strips, heart checklist there. So that is a look at the vertical kit. Now if you did sign up for the ultimate sticker kit, you got the vertical kit and the matching monthly kit and notes kit. So we'll go ahead and go over the monthly kit first. So this is a look at the gorgeous March monthly kit. So pretty with the full boxes down here. Now for 2021, all of our monthly kits are going to have a blank strip underneath it, so you can actually add on your days of the week wherever you like. So if you have the Erin Condren, or if you have the Happy Planner, any other planner that you like to have like this week or the days of the week, you can actually even change it around and start your week on Monday rather than on Sunday, where I prefer to do it that way. So there's lots of flexibility with the monthly kits for 2021. There's also a ton of boxes, so some quarter boxes, like a half box here, some icons, all of your numbers, so pretty, and then some extra flags down at the bottom there, and then your sidebar with the full box checklist. So pretty. I love the March kit. Now the ultimate sticker kit also comes with the matching monthly kit. These are actually not going to be available in the shop anymore. It is only going to be for bundle subscribers. I will show you a look at how I have this in the vertical planner. Now I only have January and February down. I don't have the March kit down yet, but you guys can get an idea of how I use this. So I put the top washi right up top there, and then these full boxes on the left and the right, and then use some of these headers over here. So for February, I'm going to use this as a long running to-do list, my goals, and the birthday. So that is how I use it. You can use this in your Happy Planner or any other like 7x9, or just even a notebook you can use these note kits in. again. So the notes kit is only going to be available to bundle subscribers. So I'm sorry if you guys just saw this and want it. It will not be available in the shop. If you do sign up for next month's sticker subscription, then you will get April's notes kit for the ultimate sticker kit. So let's move on to the Hobonichi Weeks Kit. So each one of these kits are available in the shop a la carte along with the monthly kit. If you are subscribed to our sticker subscription, you will get 4 matching weekly kits plus the monthly kit. So let's go ahead and show you the monthly kit. The monthly sticker kit is 1 sticker sheet. So it has the March banner up at the top here, the days of the week, all of your date numbers, they're cute little flags, some extra icons here, an extra little box, your bottom washi, also full boxes, so 4 full box just like in the vertical kit, and then 4 little boxes down at the bottom there. So that is a look at the Hobonichi Weeks. There's also 4 different weekly kits. So the first one here is the Succulent Kit. So gorgeous, right? So the top washi, bottom washi, a large box to go in the middle of the page, some dividers here, very pretty, your date covers here, the full boxes down in the middle here. These are cute little chevron boxes, your heart checklist, to do, to buy, and then some icons, and then on the right hand side of the page some extra little top washi and bottom washi. So that is a look at succulents. The next one is Flutter, so gorgeous. So these are 2 large sheets of stickers, so you can just place them right on down. You can also buy these separately in the shop. So if you just want to use this sheet and put it at the back of the Hobonichi on all of the extra note pages, this is a great way to use up those pages as well and make them look super pretty. And then you can also just use this in the weekly view as well to spruce up your pages. So lots of fun options with the weekly kit for the Hobonichi. Now this is also 2 large sticker strips as well. This one is called Spring Ombre. So gorgeous. On the right hand side it is very similar with all of the days of the week here, and then separated vertically here. And then on this page it is like a notes kit where it has the top square up top here. You can write your goals of the week, and then down in the bottom I have more boxes with heart checklists that you can use similar to the notes kit for the vertical as well. And then the last kit is our original looking kit where it has all of the dividers up at the top here with some cute little chevron banners, the weekend banner, some extra little succulents to do, to buy, an extra full box here, some extra cute little boxes, flags, bottom washi on the left hand side, and then the top washi is on the right, along with all of your functional boxes, your date strip, the dividers, and then heart checklist here. So that is a look at all of the Hobonichi Weeks kits. So pretty. I'd love to know which one is your favorite out of the 4. So Flutter, Spring Ombre, Sunroom, or the Succulents one. Definitely let me know down below. Alright, the next one is our Hobonichi Cousin. Now if you sign up for the Cousin subscription, it comes with a weekly kit, a matching monthly kit, sidebars, some extra boxes for your weekly layout, some headers, and also some date covers. You can buy all of these a la carte in the shop now, so they are available there to purchase. So let's go ahead and start with the weekly kit. Now the weekly kit is 2 pages, so it is perfect for your weekly layout. All of your deco in the left hand side here, so just smaller than the vertical collection. The sidebar on the right hand side here with the top that you can cover up the black square, and then your bottom washi here. This also has washi strips on both of these pages, so you can use those as well as dividers. dividers or washi in the weekly. All of your boxes here, so they are smaller than the vertical, so they will fit right perfectly inside of your Hobonichi Cousin. A weekend banner, movie night, laundry, to do this week, to buy, some icons down at the bottom, and then some quarter boxes and your date covers. So that is a look at the weekly kit. The monthly kit is 2 sheets of stickers. Now I wanted to keep this a lot more functional since a lot of us use the Hobonichi Cousin as a functional planner, so not a ton of deco, but you can pull in some deco from the weekly and other stickers that I will show you in a moment here. But if you purchase this in the shop, it is strictly a functional kit with all of your sidebar here, the March box up at the top, your date covers, half boxes here, a full box, all of your full boxes, just similar to all of the other kits, all of your date covers here, bottom washi here, and then tons of quarter boxes and flags down at the bottom. So that is a look at the monthly kit. Now it also comes with lots of fun other goodies. So some sidebars here. So these are 3 extra sidebars, so you can make a full monthly layout in your Hobonichi using all of the sidebars and then some extra boxes as well. So these are smaller than the vertical with a cute little flag there as well. And then it also comes with these really fun headers. These are perfect to use in your notes section at the back of the Hobonichi Cousin. You can also use them in your weekly kit as well and put them down at the bottom of the planner. And then it also comes with 4 more date covers, so you can stretch the whole kit to use for the whole month. So 4 different designs for your date covers along with 31 checklists. Now this is actually the only thing that you would get a double of if you signed up for the Hobonichi Cousin kit and also the bullet journal kit. Then you would get 2 sets of the headers and date covers. So let's move on to the bullet journal then. So the bullet journal does come with the headers and date covers. I think this is perfect though if you do have the bullet journal and the Hobonichi Cousin, you would want to have the headers and the date covers. So it is one of the things that I think is fine to have doubles of. So the bullet journal does come with a large deco sheet, so you can use these for scrapbooking. They're much bigger than any of the ones that I showed you here, so it's really nice to add. You can also buy this in the shop a la carte as well and add it to any other planner that you like. I do like using big stickers in my planner as well, so it's nice to have. It also comes with a calendar, so these are 2 large sticker sheets that you can put side by side. These are a little bit smaller than the A5, so you can put washi up at the top and the bottom. If you do have something that is a little smaller, you can probably use it in that, and of course anything larger. They are undated, so you can start these at any time. So it's nice to have in case you did already draw out your layout. You can keep them for the next year. It also comes with a large tracker here, so gorgeous with the daily tracker. I think I'm going to start putting these in my Hobonichi Cousin as well to keep track of my daily habits. And then this is also exclusive, so these are not available in the shop. So if you are a bundle subscriber, then you were the only ones that got these. So these are 2 large sticker sheets, so very similar to the notes kit here, with the cute succulent up at the top here, the heart checklist, and then this one so pretty with the succulents up at the top and the bottom. So that is a look at our brand new Serenity collection. So we have the bullet journal, the vertical kit, the cousin, the Hobonichi Weeks, and the brand new A6 monthly in our shop. So let me know down below, which would you guys like me to do a plan with me? I haven't done a plan with me in a while, and I'd love to do one. Do you guys have a preference if you want me to do the bullet journal, Hobonichi Weeks, the vertical cousin or the A6, definitely let me know down below. And of course, if you enjoyed this new collection, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.